Good evening everyone. I've been checking on my tulsi plant. So today I made parsley lemon drink for health reason. So today we'll be doing integration, and today's integration I'm going to present it to you all using some technology to serve you all better. Our integration question is the following. Given integral of 0 to 4 3fx dx equals to integral of 1 to 2 2x dx. So they're asking what is the value of integral 0 to 4 fx minus 3 over 3 dx. So here what we're going to do now is we have to see that in the question they're asking us to find the integral of fx, and above they have given us an equation whereby the integral of 0 to 4 3 of fx dx is the same as the integral of 2x dx from 1 to 2. So what we can do now is we solve for the following. So we write it down as 0 to 4 3 fx dx equals to just adjust, okay, 2x dx. So here we'll bring out the 3, which is a factor. So in integration you can take out the factor. It is not affected, so you can take it out outside of the integration. Okay, so we write it down 2x dx. Alright, so here now I'm going to write it as 0 to 4 of fx dx, and since here this side we have multiplied it with 3, so therefore here we're going to divide it by 3, so it's 1 over 3, 2 to 1, 2x dx. Right, so now we're going to solve for the following. So 1 over 3. Okay, so here when we integrate, in my previous video I've mentioned that differentiation we have to reduce the power by 1, then we multiply the power. So for integration we have to increase the power by 1, then we divide the whole function by the power. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to put a square bracket. The square bracket is to denote or notify that we have already done the integration. So here we write x square over 2. So here we have increased the power by 2 and we write over 2. Alright, and we write our values here. So this is a finite integration because you have got ranges of value which is from 1 to 2. So infinite integration means they do not have the values on top of the integral sign. Okay, so sorry, I'll just adjust my screen so everybody can see. Alright, so now what we do is 1 over 3. Okay, so here we have x square 2 1, so we just have to cancel the 2 down and on top. So now what we're going to do is we're going to substitute in the values of 2 and 1. So this will give us 2 squared minus 1 squared equals to 1 over 3 of 3, and we are left with 1. Alright, so we'll just write this down back again. Integration of 0 to 4 of fx dx gives us 1. Okay, so I'm so sorry, please forgive me. Today this is my first time using this device, so a bit, the screen moving here and there. So now I'm going to rewrite. I'm going to just make a dotted line and I'm going to rewrite the equation that we're going to solve. 0 to 4, sorry, fx minus 3 over 3 dx. Alright, so we put an equal sign now. So I'll just push it up a little bit. Okay, So now, so here we notice the 3 here. So this is actually a factor. So we can remove this outside of the integral. So 1 over 3, 0 to 4, fx minus 3 dx. So please, I'd like to remind all of you that the integration is for this whole function here of fx minus 3. Alright? Okay. So we have to write this down nicely. Alright? So what we can do is we'll put a big square bracket whereby we need to separate the integral signs for both the fx and the 3. Okay. So here we're going to write it down this way. Okay. And then we put a square bracket. Okay, so we should not forget our brackets. Very important so that we do not make any careless mistakes and we do not miss out any values during our calculation. Now, this value has already been solved above, as you all can see. Alright, so this is it. Alright, here. So we're going to solve this. We're going to just substitute in this value here. So this is equals to 1. So here 1 over 3 square bracket 1 minus. So now we are going to integrate this part here. So here you notice that we only have 3. So that means our x is to the power of 0. X to the power of 0 or anything to the power of 0 is 1. So here we're going to increase the power of the x. So 0 plus 1, 1. So it's going to be x to the power of 1. So we're going to get, put another small square bracket, 3x. And we're going to put our 4 and 0 outside. Sorry, 4 and 0 outside. Okay. Now we're going to substitute in the values. We're going to substitute in the values 1 over 3. Okay, so 1 minus. So you'll get 12 minus 0. Okay. And finally, so this will give us minus 11, and our final answer is 11 over negative 11 over 3. Okay, thank you everybody. I hope my new device has served you all well today. Alright, so thank you.